I think this happened to me 4 years ago, if I remember it correctly. I work in a software company, and I usually work in shifts, right? So my shift usually would start at 4 p.m. and would end at somewhere around 1 a.m. in the night. And by the time I would come home, it will be like quarter to 2 or 2. So on the way to home, there is this area called Salisbury Park, right? And from Salisbury Park, we actually take a left turn towards another area, which is called Market Yard. Okay. So when you take a turn from Salisbury Park towards Market Yard, the entire road is a cement road, and it is an inclination, right? It's a straight inclined road ahead towards Market Yard, and it is very well lit. Okay, I mean they put up these halogen lamps over there, and which are very bright, and pretty much that is one area which is very bright in the night as well. So I was in a habit of traveling through that road. That day was a special day, it seems, because although I had passed through that road at the same time almost every day, I did not come across anything like this, and only that day in 2 years was the special one. And I don't think it was I'm not able to recall exactly, but I don't think it was a full moon or a no moon night, sort of. It was a general night. So I put on Jagjit Singh basically, and I was driving. So, and I was in a mood which a person listening to Jagjit Singh should be. And I was not sleepy, I was not drowsy at all, because I was pretty much used to the shift. I had slept well, I was very fresh. And in a very nice mood, I was driving this car, and I took a left turn towards Market Yard and started going on that inclination cement road. All of a sudden, I see in front of me a man walking in the opposite direction of my car, and this is a man I can tell from his walk. It is not that I saw this man. I saw only the outward line. You've seen this Predator movie. Okay, when the Predator is invisible, how he looks. It was exactly that outer border line is all I can see, and from his walk I can make out it is a man and not a woman. And for like some time, I just couldn't understand what I'm seeing. I mean, I was completely zonked, and my legs still on the accelerator, and the car still speeding up towards him. And me not knowing what I have to do, I was going near and near to that apparition, which was walking straight ahead in front of my car, until the time I realized that my bumper is almost about to hit him. And I guess that figure also realized it, because when my car came near, all of a sudden the figure turned back towards my car, and still I just couldn't see anything but just the outward lines. A startled figure, of course, but only the outward line. And that was the time I applied the brakes, and I must have been at 70 at the most at that time, the speed. And when I applied brakes, the car took a little time to stop, and I actually bumped into it, and I passed through it. So I could see that figure coming from the bumper, coming towards me and passing through me behind the seat. That I could gather, I opened the door, the back door of my car, and I saw that the seat was empty. And still not sure about it, I tried to peep inside throughout the car to see whether I can see any traces of anything being there, and nothing was there. And that was a little relieving for me, to be very frank. I closed the door and I stood there for another while, deciding about whether to get into the same car again and drive home, or wait for someone to come and help me out. And after 5-10 seconds, I felt like it does not make any sense waiting here, or probably, even if I tell this to anybody, they would make a fool out of me. But the best I could do is like get into the car and go. So chanting the name of my God. Seriously. I mean, that was the best thing I could actually do at that time. I got into the car. I changed the music to something to rock music to kick up my mood and give me the courage to sit in the car. And I drove with as much speed as I can towards my house.